Hi guys, this is JPT and this is my first video of MCPE. Yep. I don't know if you can or you can hear me, but I wish you can. What? Free? What the heck is that mess? Okay, 54 in the lobby right now. Let's see if Cowboy is in here. If you guys hear something like that, oh, I think the face cam can see me. Yeah, the face cam. See the light back there? That's the room where am I? But you can't see me because it's so dark. It's night right now. I have a face cam, and this is SCR. Faster.
Dungalis ka nga muna dyan.
Hello? Oh my god. So. Will this move? I will go to Black Lodge. Black Lodge, okay? Crocus. I never played Fusion Craft in a day. You know what? I did not craft as you. What the heck? Cool to have a midnight snack. What? Stop! I hate you. Curse you.
Yun din yung sinabi ko sa kanya kasi di na ako naiintindihan.
First, Susan. Not Zui. Zoe Zhang. Curse you. Curse you very much. Joking.
Actually, hindi naman ako nagalit na dahil lang doon. Inis ako kasi nainit yung ulo ko kanina tapos bigla niyang ipin lang.
You can see something right there in the face cam.
Hindi ako magagalit kagabi hindi ako
SG! Okay, I'm out. I don't like SG. Again? Okay.
Yan yung sinasabi.
Just gonna go to original then.
Hindi niya ako nasabi, hindi na lumala.
Okay, you can see something in the face cam.
Sabayan siya sa akin kaya sabayan pa mga sa ikaso ng
This thing's delicious, man. I like it. No, Lime Girl is still here. I mean, not Lime, just Slime. Namaboses mo. Incorrect? Okay, I'm gonna... Authenticated. Yes. What? The trees? I think the trees are new. No. The trees are not new.
Tapos mas pipiliin mo pang lumayo sa aming dalawa kaysa mamili isa sa akin piliin mo. Hindi na ako naman tapos nakikinig ka.
I'll just type. Let's see if this works. I wish. Yep, it worked. Okay. Create a Skype. Create a Skype. What's weird?
Nakapag-game ka na ng ganun bago ka nakausap. Yun, tapos na. Tapos ka na mag-text. Wala na, galit na ako. Nakapag-usap pa ako sa'yo na. Hindi nag-aaway pa tayo. Ano mo nga sasabihin? Hindi mo nga sinasagot. Sino daw nagagalit? Ito ba na yung ano? Narinig mo ako sa galit ko
Who has Skype?
Nasa labas na kasi siya bago pa siya tumawag. Sana pinakausap niya. Gusto niya yung boses lalaki. Akala ko babae. Babae ba yan? Bakit boses lalaki? Hindi lalaki lang. Akala ko. Audition. Ayun.
Ha? Wala na.
Anong ininom mo?
Ito, pwede ba to? Baka, matigas.
Lalong nakakaubo yung chiste eh. Nakakaano pati nalalang mo na yan. Opo. Opo.
Ang kanyan.
Ha? Yung screen na lang hindi. Si Tito dyan nakain pa. Diyan, pagpapasok ka, buksan mo na lang ha. Matulog na ako.
31752. 31752. Hawak ulit, dede. Anong nangyari ako sa'yo? Dede ka talaga. Okay, I'm gonna play his server. Oh wait.
So, yung ilaw, binuksan mo, hindi mo pinatay. Ayun mo yan.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up.
Ayun mo yung ilaw.
I'm gonna wrap this video up. Sorry. Sorry, you're not gonna see this server, but you'll see in the next episode.